Dobra,
Let's
good
go.
luck.
Yes.
Let's go, guys.
I'm going straight for the point, yeah?
Yeah.
10 seconds.
Okay, try to push the road.
They could.
5
Oh.
seconds.
Oh.
Respawning.
Okay, on the road, there is huge clamp on the road. Nice, nice.
I
D
need
clamp.
help a little bit.
D clamp.
There's a lot of them on the point, like we can't
10
stay.
seconds.
Okay, group
Yeah,
one.
I
step
need to
into the
zoom
point.
soon. Okay, no.
Yes.
I'm moving bottom,
seconds.
left side,
So you
left
can
side.
help to clear the point as well.
Top left on Artsen.
They could.
Yeah, I'm coming, I'm
Captain
coming.
Blueberry. Dead.
Scream.
Okay,
Yeah,
dead.
nice.
I got him.
Nice drop. Still bottom left. I'm catching bottom
Group
left.
nine, I want
You will
to
catch me,
clear our
sorry.
back lane. There are mages on our back
I
lane.
have to
Look out, the
Oh,
point
please.
is
5
hard now.
seconds.
I am low.
I have vines ready.
Respawning.
I'm moving top
What
right
is
now.
going on point
Top
A?
right is
Do you need
safe.
more help?
Go top right.
Second, I have to get
10
my-
seconds.
I will have
We
these
have
guys.
healer here.
Yes. Secret.
5 seconds.
Nate, never mind.
Na tym Nervusu wygrywamy na ten moment, jak
Think
coś.
my AoE
Okay.
heal is
Jak to
not
Okay.
enough.
I need to tomb. Getting out now.
Beacon on you. Secret.
Okay, hold it, good.
Oh.
10
Clear our
seconds.
back lane and step into the point.
Backlane.
push the road.
I mean the bottom of the point. A
Five
lot
I'm
of
coming
them.
back, I'm coming back in.
I have still vines. I'm not using it. Waiting for the
Respawning.
bomb.
I'm gravity on top.
Okay. Bottom vines. Vines now, bottom.
21 can.
Oh my god.
10 seconds.
Now vines. This shit didn't work. Sorry.
Okay, group
Because of the
5,
lags.
6 and
5
2, we're
seconds.
gonna clear the point. We're gonna clear the point in 5,
I'm moving to the
Respawn.
right side. Bottom left. Catching bottom
2.
left.
1. Okay,
On me,
bomb
on
the
me,
point
on me.
now.
Screaming.
Następne
Oblivion.
party przybiegł na Nervus, jak coś.
Okay,
Cofamy
group
ledwo.
8
seconds.
Group 8
Catching
and
bottom
10,
left.
rotate to the point
Bot,
A.
bot.
Yes.
Help to cap point A.
5 seconds.
Group 7, 8 and 10 should be there already.
Nas wyjebali na
Group
Nervus, jak
holding the
coś.
B.
I'm detonating.
Okay.
Oh yes.
Catching
Vines,
bottom.
Left side.
Left.
wyjebali na
Seconds.
Nervus.
Bottom.
Yes.
Still bottom. I
Have
need
all-
to tomb.
all
I need to
my-
tomb.
8
seconds.
and 10
Getting
step
up now.
into the point A.
I can't
please.
healing more.
Gravity on bot.
On bot,
Try
okay.
to hold the cap a
Because
little.
they catch me, I'm down. Dead.
On you,
Try to
Zen.
distract
Look
them.
out.
No, he's
Catching them,
not-
catching
he's
them.
not-
4, I
And
need you to pull
vines
out
on
the
that.
road.
Vines.
No
seconds.
healers, watch out.
Group 2, push the road, right side of the road.
Don't
5
die, 5
seconds.
seconds.
Try for life for now.
Respawning.
I'm moving to the top, helping.
Okay,
Or no,
good.
or no.
Group 9, I need you to clear the right side of the
Right
of the
side
point.
now. I will
Group
catch
9,
them.
I need you to
Catching
clear
them.
right
I
side of
see
the point.
gravity.
No, nice.
On the point.
Move to the top left.
5 seconds.
Okay, group 1, step into the... Hold on the point B.
Respawning.
Yeah, I'm
Group 1,
back.
hold on the point B. Group 3 and 4,
I'm
push
moving
them now hard,
the left side.
on the
Catching
back
left
line.
side.
Okay, I'm
Uh-huh,
following.
I
10
hear.
seconds.
Oblivion.
There are still clamps on the road.
Catching,
Don't let them
bottom right.
come,
5
closer
seconds.
to the point. Group 1, step into the point.
Respawning.
Dwa party tutaj
They
do
catch
nas.
me again.
Dwa
Oh,
party.
I have vines ready.
Group 8,
Gravity
9
on
and,
flag.
and 7
On
should
flag,
be on the
where?
point A.
Okay, catching them. Vines on them.
10 seconds.
No. Bomb them.
I have vines ready as well, I'm putting.
5 seconds.
Screaming
gonna
that,
clear the
screaming that,
point.
screaming that.
Left side of the point in 5,
Respawning.
Oh shit.
I need to tomb.
couldn't move.
Getting out.
1. Left side of the point. Damage on the flag now. Damage on the flag.
Catching them with scream soon. Now.
10
On the right
seconds.
side.
Okay.
Oh, I fucked up. I need heal, please, guys.
Down.
Yes.
Dead.
Oh, it's on.
5
Ah, too late.
seconds.
Okay, so now
5
group
seconds.
7, you go to the point C. Group 8 and 10 rotate back to the point B.
Respawning.
Okay, they have B, I think. Yeah.
Funky pills, baby.
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
They're pushing on the road.
Yes. If they
Respawning.
catch A, oh, we
Okay,
have.
I
all
will
the
help
groups
them.
from the point B, rotate back on our back line. We need to clear
Yeah.
our back line.
Wybiliśmy ich,
20
wybiliśmy ich. Kolejna grupa rotuje z B.
Okay, group A and 10 rotate to the point A now.
On me,
8 and 10
Oblivion.
rotate to the point A.
10
I will
seconds.
catch Kustosz, Mike.
Jak jest miejsce, to już jestem w wiercu.
Gravity.
The rest of the group
5
should
seconds.
clear O backlane now and pushing the point B.
Nervus,
Respawning.
pchaj tam B, bo A na dużo jest, bardzo dużo jest
Group
na
1 and 2 step into the point B.
Take it.
Group 1 and 2
Right
step
side,
into the
left
point
side,
B.
left
20
side.
seconds.
Yeah.
Three and
Vines
four
on
to
left.
the road,
No, no,
to
no,
the
bomb,
point.
bomb that.
Tak samo jak jest
I need
miejsce,
to tomb.
to już
Healing out.
jestem w gierce.
I don't have gravity.
10 seconds.
Nice. Good kills, I
I have
think.
Okay,
vines, I'm putting it.
gravity on left.
5 seconds.
I have Vines soon.
Respawning.
Respawns.
Funky pills, baby.
I don't have any more cleansing.
Oh no, my secretary. Fuck.
20 seconds.
Top left. I have Vines ready, waiting for some bomb.
Okay, look back to the point. We're gonna rotate. We're gonna
10
fight around the point. We're gonna bomb the bomb
top
the
of
road
the point.
in 5,
5 seconds.
4, 3,
Okay.
2.
Bottom.
Top of
Vines
the
on
point.
bottom.
Bomb the
Vines on
road.
bottom.
Bomb the
Yes,
road.
yes.
Kill the clamp here. Nice. Declamp. Group 1 and 2
20
step into the
seconds.
point. Group 10 and 9, I need you to secure our backlane.
I'm moving left side. Scream, Oblivion.
10 seconds.
And catching them.
He can free healing. Natasha, I have. Oh no.
To już jestem
Okay,
w
keep the
5
point
seconds.
capping. Keep the point capping.
Gravity on
Nice drop.
flag.
Okay, Oblivion on that
Respawning.
soon. Oblivion now.
Okay, we're gonna bomb the point.
I
The
have
point
vines, I'm gonna
in
use it.
5, 4, 3,
20 seconds.
1. Top of the point now.
Bomb in top.
Natasha,
Oh
sorry,
my
they
God.
need
Go,
me.
go out of the clamp. Go out of
Ah,
the
fuck
That
clamp.
was
Don't
stupid.
Yeah,
sorry.
sorry. They
Don't
kill.
go
10
out of
seconds.
the clamp, guys. Don't stuck on the point.
What
Okay,
the heck?
great.
That we are not
Now.
doing so good.
Try to catch the targets on the road. Try to stack them.
Respawning.
Góra punktu, dół punktu.
20 seconds.
Okay, who's gonna cap the point C? Go under the fort. Go on the enemy's backlane.
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
I see all
No, I
the
need-
healers.
Okay, group 3 and 4.
Respawning.
I'm going back
Go
in.
around the
behind Willow.
wooden wall here and
Arse-
go
Sorry.
straight to the enemy's backlane.
I need
Yes.
heal.
I'm gonna go into the point.
20 seconds.
Where are you guys? I will help here.
I'm outside of
Catching
point.
them.
Okay, we're gonna dominate the
10
enemy's
seconds.
backlane.
Tumbin,
7,
Tumbin,
3
getting
and
out.
4.
I need heal.
5
Oh my god.
seconds.
Oh, fuck, sorry. This is.
Respawning.
I need to skill other.
I'm dead. I don't see anything.
We need more single targets.
Group 1 and 2 try to get into the point.
20 seconds.
10 seconds response.
They have too many melees.
Yeah, really.
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
If you die,
Respawning.
if you die, go to the point B from the
Gravity
point
on
C,
bot?
from the capped point. Don't respawn in
thank you.
the war camp. Respawn on
20
the capped
seconds.
point.
I have vines ready.
Yeah, me too. We need some proper
Okay,
bomb.
try to catch healers. Focus on the
10
healers.
seconds.
There are many on the road now.
5 seconds.
Killer on top of the point.
Okay, group 1 step into
Respawning.
the point.
Catch me.
Okay, helping you on bottom.
Group 2 step
I'm
into
fine.
the point as well.
Okay.
Group 3 and 4, I need you on the,
My
on
vines
the
too.
road.
My vines too. Here.
Oh, all of you.
10
Group 3 and
seconds.
4, I need you on the back on the road. Come on, guys.
5
I need you to
seconds.
push the road now.
Nice. Some kills.
Nice.
Respawning.
Okay, I'm not
But
stuck
so
in the
many
room
people
again.
need heal. This is.
20 seconds.
I'm moving
Okay,
top
group
right.
1 and
Top
2,
right.
stay into the
Right side.
stay in point.
Oh my god.
Yes. I got
They
gravity
bombed
heal.
me.
Okay. Nice. Some kills. I'm catching
Kills,
them.
kills.
Catching Oblivion.
I'm screaming on
Kozunia.
him, I'm screaming
Kozunia,
on him.
Okay, on
Kozunia.
our
have the
backlane
vines
should
ready.
be now only group 9 and 10. Rest of the
have
group
vines
should be on the
ready.
enemy's backlane or around the point.
Respawning.
Okay, go
I'm
to the
going
point. To
left
the
side.
points.
Just depends. Scream.
Yes, yes. I catch him.
Okay,
20
nice.
He's dead.
seconds.
He's dead.
Good job. Bottom
Okay,
left, bottom
nice.
left.
Push the road now. Push the road.
Vines on bottom left
Yes,
now.
Hold the
yes.
road. Hold the respawns.
There's my gravity.
Yeah, I'm screaming on them.
Hold the respawns.
Get this
I
giant.
have vines in 1
10
second.
seconds.
ASL,
Music?
ASL.
Yes, I'm on him.
It's on the middle.
5
On the middle of the
I
road.
detonate.
Nice.
I'm dead. I'm dead. Fuck.
Respawning.
Catching them, bottom left with Scream Oblivion.
Okay, groups.
Oh,
8,
thank you for the
9,
heal.
10. I
30
need you on
seconds.
our backline. I need you to clear our backline.
It's a little bit hard to heal.
What the hell? We can't take 2
Keep
points.
close to the point. But be
20
careful on our
seconds.
backline. On the road on our backline.
Willow, gravity on you.
Where?
I don't want our
Yeah,
healers
top right,
to
top right, top
right,
fight
catch
under
them,
catch them.
the
Yeah,
war
yeah,
camp,
yeah.
guys.
10
I want you to
seconds.
respawn
Shit.
on the point C. I want you to play
I need
around
to
the
tomb, I need
bonfire.
to tomb, getting help.
5 seconds.
I'm moving
Respawning.
top right.
Yes, yes.
30 seconds.
They're trying to bomb. Watch out. Gravity
20
left side.
seconds.
Okay, catching them. Cell, just depends.
Top of the point, top of the point, top of the point.
Okay,
10
there.
seconds.
Yes. Secret is.
Left side is literally there's 20 people of
5
well, not
seconds.
20 but 15.
Okay, guys. 5 seconds respawn. Hold your spells now.
Respawning.
Regroup on our backline.
30
Regroup
seconds.
between the point C and point B. Don't try to not find. Try to not die now.
20 seconds.
Regroup on the bonfire. Regroup on the bonfire. Every group we're gonna step into the enemy's backline.
10 seconds.
Go above the bonfire, between bonfire
Okay,
and the
I'm
rocks.
going
I'm
to
entering
with
the
the
Step into
point.
the
point.
enemy's backline. Every group now.
Now, this
Kill
is
the
a good
healers.
moment, good moment.
Try to
Move to the
plant
top,
there. Nice.
move to the
Clear
top,
the road,
top,
kill the
top,
road,
help
kill the
them.
road.
Vines on top,
Clamp
vines on
here.
top.
30
Nice.
seconds.
Declamp. Good. Okay,
Okay, I'm
target
entering the
healers.
point again.
Another gravity on top.
20 seconds.
Bottom left.
Yes, I see. I
Yeah.
Willow.
Guys, focus on the healers.
Just depends,
Group
just
eight and
depends
group
behind
seven.
you.
I
Yes,
want
yes.
you now to
Get him, get
all the
him.
time
I
stay
got
on
the
the
one.
enemy's
Let-
backline.
Let's fucking
And
dock him
focus on the healer.
down.
5 seconds.
All the time.
Respawning.
I have vines ready.
So I have to.
30 seconds.
But we need someone to follow us up.
I'm dead.
3 of us are not gonna kill anybody.
I'll try to detonate.
20
On bots.
seconds.
There's just too many of them.
Catching them.
Respawn
Stream
in 10
Oblivion.
seconds.
Seconds.
Again, everyone who's dying, respawn
That's
on
the
the
plan.
point C
Seconds.
and regroup around the rocks.
Oh, gravity left, gravity left.
Okay,
Respawning.
Respawns.
I'm
Regroup
moving
around
top right,
rocks.
top right, and vines top right.
30 seconds.
Yes.
Anubis.
Go from under the fort and rush the enemy's backline. Rush
I
the
need to
enemy's backline.
tomb. Getting help
Who's
now.
on the
Yeah, I'm
point A.
gonna
20
give you
seconds.
cleansing.
Top left, a lot of them.
Gravity left side.
10
Duża
Yeah,
seconds.
yeah.
rotacja na A leci, nerwus jak coś.
Okay,
guys, now
okay.
everyone pushing B. Everyone stepping
Nice.
around the
Scream
point.
Oblivion on them.
Everyone is pushing on the B now.
I'm
I have vines now. I have
Respawning.
vines.
okay.
Come on, guys.
I have vines
Group one
too.
is to step
Vines now.
into the point.
30 seconds.
The rest
I'm
of the
following.
On left
point
side.
run.
On left side. Yes. Our guys just
Get it.
bombed.
They-
Okay,
Okay,
try
the
to kill them.
respawn
Try
is
to hold
coming
them
in.
as long as you can.
20
Yeah,
seconds.
sure.
Try to get some advantage around the point.
They have no melee range, no?
10
I don't
seconds.
think so.
It's too hard.
5 seconds.
Gravity
Top left.
Top of the
Yes.
point.
Yes,
Bomb
yes.
between
Good
five.
job, good.
Okay, now. Declamp,
Nice. I have vines
A lot
ready.
of kills.
Step
A
out.
lot
Yeah,
of kills.
top right. My
30
vines.
seconds.
Top right.
Okay,
Finish
right
them.
into the
Finish
point now.
them.
We're
That
gonna
was
bomb it in 5,
that was good.
4, 3, 2, 1. Top side of the point. Top side of the point.
Top right
Bomb
again.
it. Bomb the clamp here.
Top right. A
Again.
lot of them.
Okay, declamp. Everyone
see.
step out. One and two
Oblivion
stay
top
to the
right.
point.
10
And Scream
seconds.
top right. I need to tomb. Getting out.
Ah, I have
I'm good,
vines.
I'm good, I'm good.
5 seconds.
Ah, yes. Top of the point, top of the point.
Screaming on that. Oblivion. Nice.
I'm following
fucking
on my scream and
Anubis,
Oblivion.
Anubis.
Good. This is looking good. I have vines
Nice.
soon. And now move to top right. Look out, top right.
Yes, top right.
Stack the point. Stack the
20
fucking point.
seconds.
They will
Mnie
collapse.
kurwa pojedzie.
They will fucking collapse on the top right.
Look, Lenus here. On
Where,
the
where,
right,
where?
left side.
Left side,
Right
left
side,
side,
right
left
side.
side.
10 seconds.
Where? I don't see you, oh my god.
Okay, he's dead.
That was right side.
5
Okay, guys, be
seconds.
ready to clear the point.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay,
Okay,
to the road,
I'm moving
There
top
is no
right.
targets on the point. Push the road.
I
Okay.
have vines ready.
Group
I
one
have
and two
vines
stay,
ready. I have vines
stay
ready.
into point.
I'm with you.
Stay in the point. Nice.
Gravity on top.
Look
Okay,
out.
be prepared to enemies push the road.
I need
Look
healer.
out
Be
on our
prepared to
back line.
enemies pushing to the point.
Ah,
Top, bottom left, bottom
now?
left. Everything on them.
20 seconds.
We run all time and then
I have vines ready.
guys,
Okay.
stay in the point. Stay in the
I'm
point.
using vines top now.
10 seconds.
Okay, I'm
Yes, okay.
Okay,
following
push the top of the
vine.
point. Push
I
the
give
top
you
of the point.
plans
He
now.
declamps you. Nice.
5,
Nice. Declamp. Push the road.
3,
Push the road.
2,
Push the road.
This is so
He's
feel
coming.
turning around.
Okay, guys. Okay, everyone just rotating to the point A.
Yes, nice.
Everyone
Good
rotating
job.
to the point A.
Good job. I have to buy some
Group
shit.
3, 4, 5, and 6 under the fort. Group 1, 2, 8, and 7 about the bonfire.
30
9
seconds.
and 10 from the road.
Stack the
And
point,
step into the
kurwa.
enemy's backline.
I'm
Okay?
going straight on
Group
the
1,
point.
2, 6, and 5 step into the point.
20
The rest,
seconds.
the rest of the groups pushing the road. Try to hold
I'm
them
moving.
away
Oh,
from
my
the point.
description.
don't.
I'm
Keep
far
the people
away.
around the point.
Nice.
10 seconds.
I'm moving to the right side.
Yeah.
No,
I see you guys, I see you.
cannot
Yeah,
move,
healers
I
on the
cannot move.
point,
Okay,
heal.
right side. They're fucking dying. Bob
Yeah,
macheta,
I'm
Bob
screaming on
macheta,
it, I'm screaming
Bob
on it.
macheta.
Okay, push the road. Push
Nice,
the road.
nice.
40
the enemies.
seconds.
Giant,
Back.
Hold them away from the
Bottom,
point. Hold them away from the
bottom.
point.
Giant.
Right side of the point
Yes,
now.
I-
Group 10
I
and
want giant.
9. I want you to be on the right side of the point.
30 seconds.
Stepping into the enemy's backline.
Mike BB, bottom.
Top of the point.
20
Top of the point.
seconds.
Push
Where?
them out from the top.
Okay. On you.
Come on, guys.
Right
Don't
side,
stop
left
pushing the
left
road.
side.
Don't stop pushing the road.
Good job.
Keep them
Screaming,
all the time.
that's
Keep them
gravity.
focused on the
Oh
healers.
no.
I give you cleanse now.
We still have advantage on the point.
Now top right. Vendes,
Bottom.
Sleeping Giant,
1.
Sleeping Giant
I
dead.
give you
Nice.
fortify.
Vendes now.
Okay,
Let's
nice.
duck him down.
Nice.
40
Nice.
seconds.
Vendes. Nice.
Okay,
Bottom.
of the point.
I have vines
Bottom of the
soon.
I
point.
give
I
you
have
cleanse
vines
now.
soon.
I give you cleanse now. You can run.
I have vines soon.
I'm detonating.
Hey, good.
30
Don't
Okay,
clamp on the point.
vines now
Don't clamp
on
on the
them.
point. Search for space.
I need. I couldn't.
Stack the point,
fuck?
kurwa, bo was zajebie.
20 seconds.
Okay, group 1, 2, 5, and 4,
Push them out.
5 and 6, step into the point.
Left side.
Group 3 and 4, hold the enemies away from the point. Hold
10
the road.
seconds.
Hold the road now. Hold the road. They are going on all in.
5,
Hold the road.
3,
Rest going.
Okay, we're gonna bomb the top of the point in 5, 4,
40
Three.
seconds.
Oh, yes, I'm
Gravity
the
on
hippie. I
top of the
can't
point.
heal.
Top of the point now.
Right
Top
on
of the
top.
point. Everyone.
Sacred orb.
Okay, nice. Declamp. One
Look
and
out,
two,
they
stay
are
into
going
the
to collapse.
point.
They are
We
going
got
to-
A. We got
Pushing
A.
road.
I'm on the road now.
Don't die now.
Hold it. Hold it on the road. Hold it on the road.
Entering the
seconds.
point.
Okay, everyone step in now. Everyone
Okay,
step in.
nice.
Everyone step in. Everyone stepping into the point.
Okay, good.
I'm in.
Nice,
Yeah,
okay.
nice.
10 seconds.
Okay, now remember
Gravity
you can
on top.
buy clean potions
Just
and the
depends
gaps
here.
on the back.
3,
Okay, we
And
got
push
kills.
to the gate C. Every group push to the gate C. Every group try to destroy
Maniac.
the gate
40
C.
seconds.
Maniac dead. Brute force C.
Every group just go destroy the gate C. When
30
the
seconds.
gate's gonna be destroyed, use the cleanse potion, try to step in. Okay, step in, group 1 and 2, step
I'm
in.
in.
The rest of the group, go in now. The cleanse potion
I
and
can't
step in.
go
The
through,
cleanse
man.
potion and step in. Come on guys, we can do it. We can do it. Nice.
I'm inside.
Don't fire on the gate. Search for spares inside the fort.
10
Ich kann nicht
seconds.
hinterher.
Okay, I'm entering. I'm
Go
inside.
closer to the point. Okay,
I'm
everyone now
detonating on
go
gate.
rush to the point. Rush to the point.
1.
Rush to the point. Everyone.
Script,
I-
don't die.
One select.
I have vines
Everyone
ready.
player on the
40
point.
seconds.
If you die, just go
Ah,
straight to the point.
I can.
My game crashed, I think. Fuck off, no.
You have it, guys. Player on the point.
No,
Player
I'm-
around the point.
Okay, gate is clear.
Don't
You
stop on
go
the
in,
gate.
go in.
Don't let them block you.
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
done.
good. There are
I'm
killers on the
laggy,
dead
so
zone.
laggy.
I have vines ready.
20
Vines
seconds.
bottom,
20
vines bottom,
seconds.
vines bottom, vines
Many killers
bottom.
on the right side,
Follow.
right top side of the point.
I need to tomb.
Nice.
Need
nice,
heal,
nice,
need
nice,
heal.
nice.
Okay, top side of the
I'm
point.
dead,
Clear it.
sorry.
Top side of the
10
point.
seconds.
Gosh.
Okay, we're gonna bomb the
I
flag.
go in and
5,
I have so much
Group
to
1
like
is
them.
dead.
5,
3,
Yes.
Bomb the
3,
point.
1.
I
Bomb
need
the point
heal.
now. Bomb the point now. Everyone,
Two
bomb the point.
seconds respawn.
Everyone step in.
50
Everyone
Yeah.
is
seconds.
spawn now.
Nah, I'm dead.
Fuck. Yeah, now you have.
Ah,
I had to run, I had to run.
Everyone stepping into the point. Into the point. Search for
40
space.
seconds.
Don't clap on each other. Try to run around the point. Try to run around the point.
Get
Then
in.
If you go in the gate, use the cleanse
30 seconds.
potions. We're gonna bomb the point in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, bomb the point. Damage on the flag. Top of the point. Dead zone.
20 seconds.
Come on,
I'm
guys.
on bottom left.
15, 15.
Yeah. You have my
Reskill
window,
is
but
15.
I'm getting out.
I'm coming in, I'm coming in.
Left side of the
you
point.
have all
Left
my
side of the
others on
point.
you.
Kill it.
10
Nice.
Nice, okay.
Okay. Play around. Don't
How much
clamp on
Mati,
the
Jok,
point.
stack
Clamp,
point,
clamp, clamp.
kurwa.
3,
I'm lag. Oh, this is so laggy.
Nix, same.
Ja, furchtbar.
50 seconds.
Step the point, step the point.
Okay,
Everyone.
group 9 and 10. I want you to clear the dead
I
zone.
used everything. what
It's
I had.
laggy. Ich kann nicht.
They all respawns game on me.
40
41
seconds.
seconds.
Das Spiel ist so am Backen und am Lecken bei mir.
Not good.
We have still too many people inside the fort. Just play around
I
the
tried
point.
to escape.
Play around the point. Clear the dead zone.
30
Everyone
seconds.
clear the dead zone.
30 seconds to respawn.
Everyone
Regroup now,
who's
regroup
dying,
now.
respawn
Don't go
on the,
in.
on the
Don't
point
go
B
in.
and
20 seconds.
Okay. Okay, guys. If you are inside the
So
fort,
hard.
die and regroup on the gates. Regroup on the gates. Use your gates.
10 seconds.
Oh, we're gonna have to do it quick. It's
Regroup on
only
your
a few
gates.
minutes left.
Through the gates.
3, 1. 50 seconds.
Guys,
seconds.
I don't want you to be inside the fort now. Get on the gate. Hold on the gate. Don't breach yet.
Where are you
Don't
guys?
reach the
Okay, I
gates
see.
yet.
30 seconds.
Destroy the gate 8. Wait for everyone. Wait for every group.
Gravity on gate.
20
Okay.
seconds.
For gate A, it should be group
I'm
5 and
detonating.
7.
Nice, nice, we bombed them there.
Okay, vines on that if you're detonating.
10 seconds.
But don't push, wait for him.
5, 3, 1. 50 seconds.
Catching
Gravity on
them.
gate again.
Scream Oblivion.
Detonating.
Okay.
40
Okay,
seconds.
Hold on gate.
Vines on them, vines.
Wait for
Nice.
Stay in front of the gates, don't breach.
Okay,
30
everyone.
seconds.
You ready?
If everyone ready, then let's go.
You ready? Wait.
Back gates ready, back gates ready.
Wait. Wait for the response.
20 seconds.
Okay, be
Another
prepared.
gravity on gate.
Be prepared. Okay,
10
everyone go
seconds.
in now. Everyone go
Okay,
in now.
pop cleanses and
Pick
go
cleanse
in, go in,
potions,
go
go
in.
Okay.
in. Back gates,
5,
rotate to the right gate. Help on the right
3,
gate.
2.
Help on the right gate. Kill it,
Respawn.
nice. Okay,
I'm
now go
inside,
for the
I'm
middle.
inside,
Help on
I'm
the side,
inside.
go
The
help
middle.
on the side. Left side, left side, left side. Okay,
Help
they
the
moved
point
in.
B, focus on the
I
killers.
Killers
I have
left,
vines
killers
ready.
right
Killers on the
steps.
point. Kill it.
I'm vines on gate. Until
40
look out.
seconds.
Gravity
Come
on
on, guys. If anyone dies, respawn on the gate B and go to the straight to the gate.
I don't come in.
30
need heal.
seconds.
I need kill.
I don't come in. never have so many fucking legs.
Okay,
That
gate
is-
C is clear. You
20
can respawn
seconds.
on the A
Yeah,
and
that's
go
crap, I
straight to
understand.
the gate C.
Some people cannot play after they out.
Yeah, the
10
servers
seconds.
3000, it's too much.
Gravity on
I need to
bot.
tomb. Getting out.
5,
Detonating.
I can't heal, sorry,
2,
I'm out
1.
Respawn.
now.
We have to go out of the point because
Remember,
we
the
will
gate,
die here.
the gate C is clear.
Yes.
You can respawn on the A and go to the gate C.
50 seconds.
It's for free. Come on, guys. It's for free. Step in. Now, step in, everyone.
I'm in the point.
Everyone go in. Quick cleanse potion and run in.
40 seconds.
Okay. I'm entering now.
I'm inside.
I'm inside. Vines on this gate.
Okay, nice.
30
Play
No,
closer
no,
to
no,
the
no, no,
point.
no. Nice, nice.
Play
The
closer
gravity
to the
on
point.
gates.
Focus on the
Liquid
healers.
lick.
Giant on the point. Healer. Heal it. Heal it.
20 seconds.
Nice.
Liquid. Nice.
10 seconds.
I'm moving top right. Helping them.
Left
Hey
side,
guys,
left
play,
side.
play around the point.
Nice.
Only group 1 and 2 step into the point. The rest
Vandal,
of the groups
Vandals.
playing around.
2.
Vandals.
Respawning.
Respawn. Okay, respawn on the B.
Natasha,
Go
watch out.
straight to the gate B.
On
It's
the
clear.
Tag the point
Okay.
now!
We're gonna now
I have
bomb
vines
the
ready.
left top side of the point. Bomb it in 5, 4,
I'm so...
3, 2,
Oh,
1. Top side of the point. Top side of the point.
I
40
just couldn't
seconds.
move at all.
Yeah, but
Dead.
was really good, but
And again, long cooldown. Jesus. Was a little bit too late to call.
20 seconds.
Gravity on bot.
I think we have to go. Oh no, 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 no.
I'm dead. Fuck off.
20 seconds.
I need to
10
tomb. Getting
seconds.
out.
Okay, out of the point.
Natasha, you
Regroup.
are a healer. Don't go to the point.
5,
I need
Don't
heal.
die.
I need to go out of the point.
Healers are dead.
1. Respawning. Fifty seconds.
Come on, we have
Okay,
10
I'm
minutes.
getting out.
We
Yeah,
are
yeah,
doing
yeah.
our job. They have to
They catch
get
us.
some kills.
Okay guys, we don't have time. Don't destroy the gate C. Groups from the
30
gate C, breach the gate B. We're gonna breach in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
20 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Okay, I'm breaching.
and 1. Okay, break clean potions and go through the gate. Go through the gate. Go through the
10
gate.
seconds.
Come on.
Vines on
Body
bottom. Vines on
blocking, I
bottom.
can't.
I need to tomb. Getting out.
Try to not stop on the gate. Go in, go in,
So
go in.
laggy,
Nice.
so bad.
Search for
Respawn
space,
now.
the dead zone. There is many space, many free space in the dead zone.
Gehen das
Focus on the
Gelände
healers.
so extrem.
Ja, ich kann auch.
50 seconds.
Wyszli przed bramą, tak.
Hey, killer.
Guys, don't fight on the
In the
gate.
back
Don't
line.
fight on the
I
gate.
need to
Go
zoom.
the dead zone.
Getting out now. I need to go.
Right on the
Oh my god.
top of the point.
I will die.
On the suicide.
30
will die.
seconds.
On the back
Yeah.
respawns, but don't stay
I
on the
couldn't
gate.
move.
I'm
20
with you,
seconds.
Juras.
Yeah,
Okay.
I did manage to walk through.
They push us to the
Gravity on flag.
legs.
10 seconds. 5, 3,
There's too many of them.
Sacred lick.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, respawn
Everyone
now.
respawning on the B and step into the point. Every group should now step in. Everyone go into the point. Everyone go into
I
the
like
point.
I can't play it.
I think I'm the only one in the point. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to enter.
What the fuck?
I wonder what's the buff
Gravity
from the
on gate
influence.
and
Like,
go
there's
in.
no point that they're destroying us so hard.
I can't place my sacred. So,
Du kommst gar nicht
And
durch. Du kannst.
geht nicht. Geht einfach nicht. Was ist das für eine Egal.
guys.
Okay.
GG.
GG. That was good.
That was good
Yeah.
attempt.
On the flag, it's all
10
good,
seconds.
but in fort, I can't play it. It's
Ja. Yes.
5
Sofort
seconds.
nur Luck.
5 seconds FPS all time.
Thank
1
you
FPS.
for the war and see you on the next one.
See ya guys, thank you for the invite.
Yeah.
See you, see you.
So, sorry for the
Ja,
little bit
ja.
sometimes bad heal.
Yeah, no problem.
It happens, bro.
I hate it.
Du hast ja Glück, du bist AOE. Darfst AOE spielen.
Ja, ey, also mit Single hätte ich auch nicht. Das wäre scheiße alles.
Also, ich hasse Single hier.
Es hat einfach so krass geleckt gerade, dass ich absolut nicht mehr zocken